Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is another informative video from me. You might be wondering how much a typical channel with 5,000 subscribers might be earning. Well, the number of subscribers doesn't determine how much a YouTube channel earns. A channel with 1,000 subscribers might be earning way more than a channel with 20,000 subscribers. And it's also worth noting that if you want to take YouTube as a business, you don't depend solely on AdSense. In today's video, I'm going to show you my analytics and share with you the analytics of my top 3 videos on my channel, and also show you how much I've earned within about 6 months period of being monetized on YouTube with AdSense. You might have heard that starting a YouTube channel is easy. Well, that is a half truth. Creating a YouTube channel is easy, but maintaining a successful one is hard. Well, I'm not saying this to discourage you. Not at all. It took me about 2 years to get 1,000 subscribers, and about this time last year I was less than 1,000 subscribers. So my mindset then was just posting video on YouTube, not minding the algorithm or the analytics, and I was doing this solely to support my offline business. But immediately I changed my strategy by changing the type of content I post on YouTube. I was monetized within 6 months. That was the game changer. So I'm going to share with you my analytics and show you my top videos on my channel, their traffic source, click-through rate, RPM, and finally I'm going to show you how much I've earned on YouTube since I've monetized about 6 months ago at 5,000 subscribers. Okay, on my YouTube studio, I will head over to the analytics. Here's the state of things in my channel for the past 28 days. And these are the top videos. Let's check the first video. It has received 94,000 views, gained 2,100 subs and over $500. But I created this video before I got monetized. So let's check the exact views that generated this amount. I have to pick the date from the very first day I was monetized. As you can see here, 8,700 views got me $569.66, and I earned 5 cents from this video on the very first day. Here we can see that over 80% of the traffic came from YouTube search and suggested videos, meaning that there is a lot of search on this topic for it to have over 80,000 views for a small channel like mine. So my recommendation here is that as a small and growing YouTube channel, apart from creating content on trending topics, you can also create more searchable evergreen content like how-tos. Here the click-through rate is 10.7%, which is very good, and the RPM is $6.42. This means that YouTube paid me $6.42 for every 1,000 views of this video, and advertisers paid $12.80 for every 1,000 adverts played on this video. Here is a very important event that happened on this video. This video was underpaid within this period if you check it against the number of views within the same period. I contacted YouTube support about this, but they couldn't help out. This is a very good reason why you shouldn't depend solely on AdSense revenue. Anything can happen and that will hurt your income. So this is the status of this video. Let's check the next one. I uploaded this video when I was monetized, and it has gotten 15,200 views, gained 112 subscribers, and generated $26.28. Let's see the traffic source. Over 80% of the traffic came from YouTube search and external, and it has a click-through rate of 14.9%, which is very good. In the revenue tab, the video's RPM is $1.76, which is very low, and advertisers paid $3.38 for every 1,000 advert placements. The CPM for this video is very poor. Let's say this video got 100,000 views. Based on the RPM, it will generate less than $150. This is where CPM, niche, country of view, and seasons might seriously impact your YouTube earnings. Let's check the last video. It was uploaded before my monetization, so let's select the date range from the first day of monetization. With 7,900 views, this video was able to generate $40.21 and gain 161 subs, and the video didn't generate any revenue on the first day of monetization. We can see that over 70% of its traffic came from YouTube search and suggested videos. Its click-through rate is 8.2%. The RPM is $5.12, while the CPM is $11.88. Its top geographies are India, Philippines, and Indonesia. Now to my channel's earnings within this period. It gained 185,600 views and 3,200 subscribers. %70 of its traffic was from YouTube search and external, and most of the external is from Google search. The overall click-through rate is 8.1%, and my RPM is $5.74, while the CPM is $12.26. Most of my views came from these countries: United States, Philippines, and Nigeria. So within about 6 months of monetization, my channel gained 185,600 views, 6,700 watch time, 3,200 subscribers, and earning $1,064.85 from 185,600 views. So this does not mean that every channel with 5,000 subscribers earn the same amount. Some channels of this size might earn higher and some might earn much less. What will I do with $1,000? Well, I will invest it back into my YouTube project by getting a solar powered inverter. Electricity has always been a major challenge for me when creating video content. It's either there's no electricity when I'm about to create one, or when I put on the generator set, the noise from the generator will filter into my audio and at the same time also disturb my quiet neighborhood. So getting an inverter will go a long way in easing the workflow of my content creation, especially creating video content. So moving forward, this channel will be creating videos that will empower you with skills that will enable you to build your enterprise online and also succeed in the tech space. I would also like to collaborate with other creators, not minding the size of their channels, and also try other video styles that will be educative and engaging as well. Okay, I can't end this video without saying a very big thank you to over 5,000 of you that have believed in this channel for valuable resources. And also for those of you striving to succeed on YouTube, I wish you big success. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this channel. and what are you expecting from this channel moving forward. Also, support this channel by giving this video a like and also a share. As always, I'm your tech informant. See you in my next video.